Are you thinking about building your independence this year and you're trying to use your personal truck? Well, let me show you this welding skid. You can actually buy the blueprint, and with the blueprint it comes with the measurements to show you how to actually build your own. It gives you the layout on the material, what you need, how to lay it out, and you can build your own, and you can readjust it and rearrange it the way you want to. They come in horizontal and the vertical. This is actually a horizontal, and you can actually get the vertical print, or you can get both of the prints. The prints are available online at hogonwelding.com. That's hogonwelding.com. You can get the vertical or the horizontal print. They're $100 a piece, and you can build your own. Or you can order one from us, and we can build and customize your own welding skid. Welding skids start out at $600, and it goes up not including shipping, unless you pick it up from one of our local areas. But if you're thinking about building your independence this year, think about purchasing a welding skid. Hold on.